Oh, hell no. I went too crazy. Welcome to the third video of the Back to the Basics beginner friendly makeup series. We're going to talk about contour and highlight. Let's get into it. So I am going to be doing a first impression of these NYX Pro Fix Sticks. I got the shade Nutmeg for highlight, Cappuccino to be my skin tone, and I got the shade Cocoa for contour. Alright, so Cappuccino is my skin tone, so first impression, this is very creamy for it to be a stick. I'll blend that out first. I'm going to use a beauty blender. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to take Nutmeg. I ain't never really been a chin highlighter person, but I'll do it for the sake of the video. Or Cupid's bow. I'll do it for the video. I will do it for the video.
So highlighting adds a healthy and natural glow to the skin, making it look fresh and radiant.
Very subtle highlight, okay? Very subtle.
Using a lighter concealer is effective because it helps enhance your facial features.
Alright, so I'm taking the contour shade. To blend out the contour, I usually use a brush.
So contouring is dope because it helps you define and enhance your facial features. Contouring involves using a darker shade, as you can see, to create shadows which help define and sculpt your face. So if you want your forehead to look smaller, your nose to look a little bit slimmer, your jawline to look a little bit slimmer, this is when you would do it.
Since we're here, let's do a little blush in there. I did try this. It's very pigmented. It gave me like a different type of glow. I don't know how I feel about it. I use this very lightly because, baby, this thing is pigmented, okay? How are people applying? I think people apply this with a brush. Do y'all see how pigmented that is? I was like shook. I was like, oh my goodness. Like your highlight, your contour, and setting the whole face as a fool, you want to do that with powder as well. I mean, you can leave it like this. You want to set your makeup so that it stays in place, right? For my highlight, I like to use the shade Toffee, a Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless line. I like to use kind of like this flat, I guess this is a foundation brush. I got this method from Rita's role model. I don't know if she still does it, but you go in, you get that product, and then you press it into your face. I know I'm probably like the worst person for this tutorial because I like everything so natural. Y'all probably can't even tell if anything is happening, but I'm sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, everybody likes their makeup done different ways. I'm going to do my contour, do the Showman's Bronzer by Morphe. So where you place your contour concealer, you want to do the same with the powder, you know? For my nose, I like to use a more like fluffier. I love to pull it into my eye. It just, I don't know, it's something about it. Something about it. For blush, I like to use my Juvia's Place Bella. Orange is my favorite color, can you tell? But I like orange blush on brown skin. I just think it's so pretty. You know what else is pretty on brown skin? Oh, hell no. I went too crazy. Burgundy. It is so nice on brown skin. So nice. What do I do? Because let's see if it's gonna calm down. Still very much present. It's okay. I did not mean to do that. I really didn't, I promise y'all. I also like to take Bella with the same brush because it just eats. Y'all see how pigmented that is? Knock it off a little bit. And I like to put that above where I put the brown. I gotta wipe this brush off because for some reason Bella is acting a fool today. Like, Bella is showing out. Like, I ain't never seen Bella like this before. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna blend it out because Bella is showing out, honey. Full face set. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face using the Morphe Continuous Spray because when you use the powder absorbs like that moisture and that oil that's in the liquids that you place on your face first, and so it kind of dries it out. You kind of want to put a little bit more moisture back in there with your setting spray. Okay, I hope that makes sense. You don't want it to look dry and cakey. I feel like the heavier you go with your spray, the more like luminous and radiant your skin is gonna be. So I kind of go a little crazy under the eyes because I don't like my eyes to look dried out. You can use an automatic fan. I always want to do that, or one of these, and dry your face. All right, y'all, makeup is done, the base is done, she's set. I feel like I can give a first impression like off deck about these concealers, the NYX Pro Fix Stick. On the bonus, the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush, and this is in the color orange, Gorge Orange. Okay, like we're gonna do all 4 of them. Cappuccino, I feel like this could be my true shade. It could be like an everyday type of thing, like to conceal and spot correct. I'll do a different video on that. I didn't really get the feel because the foundation that I had on was a little bit too dark. Okay, so yeah, I think I like her. As far as Nutmeg goes, she is my highlight shade. Not the biggest fan, but she's not bad either. I just feel like it might be a little too, it's something in it that's kind of off. When I look at my under eye, I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's not golden enough, maybe that's what it is, but I'm not mad at it. And as far as contour, I like her. I like this. These are very hydrating, so I am not mad at these. NYX, y'all did y'all big one with these concealers. For the blush, I seen how Bella was showing out, and I feel like Bella showed out because I put Gorge Orange under it. This is gonna last forever and ever because y'all saw how little bit I put on, and the way them two cut up, like it's a little bit too much for me. Hey, I like it. I'm gonna keep it. So all in all, I do think that NYX and e.l.f. showed out with these products. I'm not mad at them. Definitely go get them. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. I'll see y'all next time.